So how to download? So first you should check there should be the WinRAR file in your system, right? So if it is exist in your system, that is very good, right? If not exist, so you have to download from the Chrome or Google, right? So you have to download this. So it will help to extract the file from the folder, right? So download first this one. Then after you may get the information regarding the SAP login screen, right? So this is the server or link, right? Download link, then how to download that video, right? Then SAP description, then application server, instance number, system ID, username, password, and all, right? So now what you have to do first? So first you have to click on the download option here, GY740. Then you will find like this. You have to click on download option, then click on download anyway. Then it will download. It will take few minutes to download. So the file content 530 MB, right? So let's wait to download the file. So download is going on. 475, 485 MB has been downloaded. So now the file is downloaded. So just double click on the file. So you will find like this, right? You can double click over there. Otherwise, you can check your downloaded file. If I will show you, so go for your CC, then go for the download file to check. So you'll find like this, right? You can double click here. So then you'll find the option like this. So just cancel the pop-up. So now you have to click on the second option, then click on the Windows, then click on Win32, the second option. So double click here, then you'll find like this. So here you have to click on the setup all access, this one, right? This one. So double click here. So you'll find it will download. So now file has been downloaded. So then you'll find a pop-up like this. So here you have to click on yes option. Click on yes. Then you just have to wait for few seconds. You have to wait for a few seconds. It will be like this. Then you have to click on the next option. So after this, you will find the option like this. So here you have to click on the select all. You have to click on select all. Then after you have to click on the next. Then everything, all file will download. It is completed, right? So the installation of SAP products failed with 6 errors. No issue. You can close this one. So you can close this one, right? So already it is downloaded. So just cancel this one, right? So then after, if you will check in your like a Windows, then you can find the SAP login screen. So now what you can do, just double click here. Then you'll find a screen like this. So here already I have login, right? But in your system, it may not be present over there, right? So now what you have to do if you are installing for the very first time, right? So you have to click here. This is the new option. You have to click here. Click here, then you will find the option like this. Then you have to go for next. Then put the description of the server. So, for example, you are installing for the SAP for any module. So give you the module name, whatever may be. Let example, I am putting SAP MM. Then put the application server details. So where you will find from your mail ID or from the WhatsApp from whom you have received the server details. Let me show you. All right. So like here, application server details. So you have to put the server application server details, then instance number and system ID. So I'll just put here. Instance number was 69 and the system ID was ES7. Then after you just click on the finish up. Then you'll find the pop-up like this, SAP MM. So whatever the description you have given there, so it will come like this. So how to log in? You just have to double click there, right? Then you have to put the username. Let example the username is this one and the password, whatever the server provided. So click enter. So you'll find a pop-up like this. So if you are installing the server for the very first time, the system will ask you to change the password, right? So you can give a new password over here. Then you have to repeat that password again, right? Then click on continue. Then it will save automatically, right? So in this way, in the next time when you will use the server, you have to put the username, then the changed password, right? Whatever the password you have given again, right? So you have to give the new password to log in, right? And if I will show you how the server is look like if you log in. So let example, I will just log in my server, right? So the screen will look like this, right? This is the SAP Easy Access screen. So this is about how to install the SAP server, right? If you are facing any doubt, any query, and if you are facing any like problem, you can comment me in this video so I can help you, right? So I can help you by coming to the any desk, no issue, right? So thank you so much for watching this video. And if you are coming to the channel for the very first time, kindly subscribe this channel. And thank you so much.